kind to yourself. We all make mistakes, all part of being human. That's why pencils have erasers. Oh, 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 I told my friends that I wouldn't fall for you. Then you walked in the room and I was all over you. Damn, the growth, and you smell good too. I hope you feel the same way that I do. Why did I have to go and ruin it? And now you're moving on and I look foolish. Now my favorite song is on and I can't even dance, cause I'm still thinking about our last dance. You gotta be kind to yourself.